Good morning, guys. Today's Sunday and cool microphone, right? So yeah, today's Sunday, and the thing is, I'm still doing my stuff. I'm still trying to research. I'm trying to finish, and it's the last week stretch supposedly, but it's gonna go to the second weeks. But yeah, I'm struggling right now, as always. But yeah, gotta be confident. Gotta fight for it. Whatever happens, gotta fight for it. And yeah, I need to finish a lot of things. Right now, I just needed some references for my research. And the thing is, yeah, you think that looking for references is just easy, but no, it's not. So, yep. Also, I tried to stop myself from doing videos in the past few days, like 2 days. I was on a roll of putting up a lot of videos online, like daily vlogs. But the thing is, I try to hold it a bit because the thing is, yeah, everything's just the same. I just want to like I really want to put up videos daily, but the thing is sometimes I feel like I will be saying the same thing over and over again. So I try to stop myself, and when it comes to like 2-3 days after, I really want to put up a video, even though I have nothing to say. So those 2 days, that's gonna be the things that I could discuss, and yeah. So I don't know if I've discussed that. I've even forgot that we were open. We're open last Friday, and yeah, I think I discussed that last video. But anyway, yeah, we're open, and I haven't gone out of the house far. I'm just within 5 kilometers still because I'm so busy. I'm doing a lot of things, but hopefully, when all these tasks are done, I'll be out there doing landscape photos, doing videos, shooting weddings, shooting people, not with a gun, but with a camera. Yeah, so excited. Anyway, that's it. Also, I'm downstairs again. I'm trying this different angle. You can see all the rubbish over there. So you can see the car, but I'm using the 18 mil. I love using the 24 because it's shallow, it's sharp, but this one here, this is awesome. Anyway, gotta go. See ya.